What's up? I Discoverer back with another video. This time, we're gonna be concentrating on the lakes, of course, but there's writings around the lakes, or I'm gonna say passages, or they was communicating something um, that I want to share with you all. Real Trinity, of course. You can see, like I say, you can check out my other videos. Got the three lakes here. Haru. Got lakes on water with a face 2 miles long, about a mile wide, with the three symbols on there: the jaguar paw or the lion's paw, the serpent, and the bird or the vulture or the hawk, one of the three. I think it's a vulture. And he got the third eye protruding from the forehead. The second lake symbolizes his father, Osiris, or Asar. You find this symbol. Like I said, I got three videos where I break down these three lakes and the meaning of the lakes. The vulture lake symbolizes his mother. But this particular video, there's, as you can see, I got counting around Horus. There's inscriptions or writings, and that I want to share with you that is in cuneiform. So, like number one, he's saying, "How you know that's writing? How you know that's writing?" Like I said, it's cuneiform. It's in cuneiform. Some people say the cuneiform writings started with the Mesopotamians, but I'm saying it started millions of years before the Mesopotamians, according to this area. Like I say, this area got to be millions of years old. When you say thousands, you're not talking about us. You're talking about Europeans or Arabs or whatever. When I say cuneiform, you want to say something like this. See that it's similar to this type of writing. Like I said, it's 13 of these out here. Number one, number two right here. See what I'm saying? I was trying to decipher what these say, but I'm not good at that. Somebody like Dr. Clyde Winters, he probably would kind of look at this and kind of know what they're talking about. But like I said, it's 12 of them writings in this ancient city that was discovered by me, the High Discoverer, in 2012. Lakes with a face that's been here for millions of years. And there's a book called When Rocks Cry Out by Horace Butler, Dr. Horace Butler. He speak of these lakes. He didn't speak of lakes with a face on it or anything, but he spoke of man-made lakes that was out there. So you could check his book out. Number 3 here. I'm just gonna go through them with you. You know, I want to say they read from right to left, unlike us that read from left to right. I think they read from right to left. That's what it. That's what it seems like. Number 3, all of them are different. Let's see. I try to decipher those, and I seemed like I was coming up with them talking about beautiful gardens and beautiful streams and lakes and stuff of that nature. Number 4, like I said, someone like Clyde Winters would probably love to run into this different writings. Like it was communicating something with us. You only can see this from the air. I'm gonna go straight in order. Number 5, this seemed like a little longer one right here. I say I think they read from right to left. But if we go back to the cuneiforms, how this look, like it's just like so similar. So similar. You got that. We could look at ancient American cuneiforms. We got this right here. Cuneiform on that. Yeah, the writing on it. I was trying to see can I get a little close up of it. Yeah, it's a little closer where you got the cuneiform. This was found in Utah. Utah. In Utah with the cuneiform writing on it. What I'm saying is this particular site has all types of stuff on here. Um, I can write so many books on this area. Number 6. I'm gonna go through all of them. As quick as I can, but I want you to see them. But like I say, it's going down. What is 7 right here? Number 7. So come back around. Let y'all see number 7. The trees a little bit anyway. Number 7. Just here, people. Um, I don't know what to say about this area. There's some unbelievable stuff. And it really seemed like this area right here is some type of symbol in itself. The way this right here, But to see these, uh, the writings, you would have to move to where. See, I have 7/23/11 on the calendar thing. You would have to move to that or somewhere where it's clear. Like I was saying, you would have to go to this time thing and move this time bar to this data anywhere, where it's clear like this. And some of the satellite imagery is clear like this, and it's usually in the fall or the winter. In the springtime, it's usually white. So I'm trying to go through all of these things. 14. Like I said, we got just a lot going on these things. I really don't want to make the videos that long. This is the very first one that I ever saw. It's the first one I saw. It started it all. I noticed this right here. The very first one I saw, number 10. So that when that started, that's probably the the one we need to start at, cause that's the very first one I saw. Like I said, high discovery. I don't know what to make of this area. I know it's a great area. It's just beautiful. It's millions of years old. I'm trying to just bring this to the world. And like I said, eventually, I want the whole world to mention me.